If you want to prepare your phone for loss, if you want to save up your data, if you want to enable tracking, set up contacts alert, and erase all data remotely, here's how to do that. And watch it till the end because I'll give you a very valuable tip in order not to lose your data. So first of all, you're to locate your application called Find Hub. This is a pre-installed application by Google. All modern phones have them. However, if you don't have it, simply locate it in Play Store, and there you are. Previously, it was called Find My Device. So let's open it up. All right, let's sign in. So choose the Google account which you want to sign in. Here you can see the list of the devices. So in order to locate your device, give all the necessary permissions. And there we are. So the first device is located. If you want to block it remotely, simply tap on the device. Now tap here on Find Hub settings. So once again, you can enable use my find my device or no. You can press remote lock and use remote lock. So this device is gonna be locked remotely. And if you find your device, you're to unlock your screen, and basically that's it. After that, you can use it. However, if you lost your phone and you're not sure whether you have any access to other devices, you can always simply Google for Find My Device. Right, you can Google for it, then press Find Hub, and basically the same. Log in with your Google account, and it's gonna be exactly the same just as this application, as you see. And on some devices, there's also a personalized message option. So you will be able to send some personalized message which will appear on this device. And basically that is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.